And as I walk through the valley of death, my voice echoes out through the night. Lord, Lord, whatever your reason, don't be the reason right.
Hello YouTube. I bought this a while ago. It's been sitting on the side. You know, everybody tells me if I use it I'm gonna get electrocuted. Who knows? I mean, I've already been electrocuted a few times, but I think I paid like $10 for it. It is a fancy schmancy. It's missing a few pieces, but it's a brand new. Well, it looks pretty brand new. Black & Decker cordless. No, just kidding. Corded drill. Stuff all the cord in here. Check this sucker out. Yeah, check it out. I get it out of the damn box. It is cool. I almost bought another one. I should have bought it. It was like $10. It was even smaller than this. And I was like, oh man, I'm kicking myself in the ass for not buying it. But check this. I guess you could call it analog technology compared to the, I guess you could call the cordless ones digital technology. But look at that puppy. Plastic handle. It is like, what do you call it? The corded weapon of choice from the, I don't know, what, 70s and 80s. They don't make them like this anymore. But sucker, you know, let's plug this bad boy in here. The cord is like stiff as hell. Of course, it's been in the box for like 20 fucking years. This is the part where I electrocute myself. I get it on video. So here. Look at that. Can you feel that? Know what it smells like? It smells like old motor. Everybody know that smell? With like, I don't know, something's burning. It reminds me when I was a kid. Anybody ever play with AFX Aurora track? The old slot cars? You burn them around the track and they make that smell. That's what it smells like. But yeah, check that out. What the hell I'm keeping it for? I have no idea. I use cordless ones. But one day, when, you know, the end of the world comes and I have one of these left, you know, I could barter for, I don't know, a bag of rice or something. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. It's an old Black & Decker, what the hell does it say on here? Black & Decker 3/8 standard duty drill, number 7110, 120 AC, 2.5 amps, 1/6 horsepower, type 1, 1,000 RPMs. Man, 1,000 RPMs. Power 3/8. It's cool though. I don't know, does it have reverse? I don't know. What the hell is this button for? Oh, it's the lock button. Yeah, everybody needs that lock button so you can just keep going forever and ever. But my hands are freezing, so I'm going to end this one here. Thanks for watching, and thanks for looking at my junk. Thank you.